Girl asked for her shotgun back after getting back with ex. So my now ex, who is getting divorced, her soon-to-be ex had over the years taken her shotgun and ran in their bedroom, swearing to kill himself on several occasions, as I'm told. And also, he is an ex-convict and can't legally have firearms. She decided to dump me and wanted her shotgun back because he evidently has moved back in, and I wanted to get my pistol out of his access as well. So when I returned her shotgun, I removed the firing pin so it can't be used now, and he gets to pretend it works now since only me and my brother know. Can't really tell anyone else, and this is kinda damn funny since she hit me up for this relationship and then ended it just to go back.